हम जो रेसिपी 100 साल पहले थी वही आज हमारे यहाँ यूज़ कर रहे हैं हम उसे।
आज मैं बताने जा रहा हूँ दिल्ली की गलियों की कहानी। सुबह का नाश्ता जो है दास्ताने निहारी।
नंबर 1 बेस्ट नारी है।
इसकी शुरुआत बस इसी प्लेस से हुई थी।
जामा मस्जिद से लेकर शाहीन बाग की गलियों में हम टेस्ट करेंगे, हम चखेंगे एक से एक निहारी। वैसे तो आप जानते हो कि निहारी इज नॉर्मली कुक्ड ऑल नाइट एंड ईटन अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, लेकिन हम खाना नंबर 1 है। हम सुबह से लेकर शाम तक निहारी खाएंगे। अर्ज किया है दिल्ली का जायका मुगलों ने बनाई, सुबह से लेकर शाम तक हमने है खाई। वेंकीज प्रेजेंट्स खाना नंबर 1 आज है निहारी। चलो। कुछ अच्छी चीज पानी होगी तो कुछ सैक्रिफाइस तो करना पड़ता है, इसलिए मैं बहुत जल्दी उठा हूँ और आया हूँ जामा मस्जिद की गलियों में। ये गलियां नहीं, ये बहुत छोटी छोटी गलियों में, क्योंकि यहाँ सुबह सुबह निहारी मिलती है। सो आई हैव कम टू हाजी शबरती निहारी शॉप because they say this is one of the finest niharis. So come, let's go and taste some nihari the way it should be early in the morning. सर मेरी निहारी।
ये मटन की नारी लीजिए।
थैंक यू जी। मेरी निहारी अब okay. It doesn't get better than this fresh nihari out of the pot over there. I thankfully found a rickshaw to sit on because otherwise there is hardly any space and the inside is completely jam-packed.
सुबह 6 से 10 और शाम को 6 से 10 थोड़ी सी मटन नारी बची जो आपको टेस्ट कराएं। वैसे 9 बजे तक होते हैं, अब संडे की वजह से जल्दी निमट गए।
2 kinds of niharis. One of course the normal mutton nihari with a nalli in it, and the other bheja. How can you avoid magas when we are in Delhi? Let me just start with this beautiful nihari. I can see the tari floating on top. It's been garnished with the inevitable julienne ginger and green chilies.
ये पुराने मसाले और पुराने से चलते हुए आ रहे हैं। नंबर 1 बेस्ट नारी है।
You know, for me, there are 3 flavors that I think a nihari should have. One is, of course, the meat itself, the stew of the bones boiling, the meat cooking overnight, slow cooking. Second, turmeric, the nice strong flavor of turmeric. And third, green chilies. It's a green chili that makes all the difference in the flavor. This is quite amazing. And, of course, I have got my favorite nalli. This is great. Okay, now we have in the same masala as the nihari, and this is what I have found only in Delhi. I don't find it anywhere else really. Magas, as in brain. Of course, you don't need to slow cook the bheja because it will get overcooked. Oh ho! And these hot khamiri rotis. When they say you should have breakfast like a king, this is what they actually meant. I may mention one thing, is that the bheja was not taken out and then cooked. It was cooked intact and then once cooked was knocked out, so it's really fresh. And what happens to me in most episodes of Khana number 1 is going to happen to me again, which is it is going to be extremely difficult to decide which of these niharis has been the number 1 nihari. I think this is a very, very good contender. Extremely good. But then, you know, we never take you to places which are not good. So it's always a fight between number 1, 2 and 3, isn't it? You cannot think of Nihari and not think of Jama Masjid. You cannot think of Jama Masjid and not think of Kareem's. And that's what I've come here for, the Nihari at Kareem's. So let's dig into some really, really good Khamiri roti and some nice Nihari. Chale. and let's see whether this is khana number 1. Our story, to continue the learnings from the Royal Court of Red Fort. In 1913, Haji Karimuddin established the Karim Hotel in this gully near Jama Masjid, Delhi, saying that I want to earn fame and money by serving the royal food to the common man. Allah has 99 names and Karim is one of them.
मेरे ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर ने ये 1913 में शुरू किया था अंडर द शेडो ऑफ जामा मस्जिद। तो हमारा जो मकसद था, कोई शेफ से मेरे जो फोर फादर थे, तो उनका मतलब ये था कि जो रिच खाना है वो कॉमन मैन को कैसे पहुंचाया जाए। तो इसीलिए उन्होंने ये जामा मस्जिद के नीचे एक छोटा लेवल पे खोला शुरू किया था। तो उस वक्त 1-2 आइटम थे, लेकिन आहिस्ता आहिस्ता लोगों की सजेशन आती गई, आइटम बढ़ाते गए।
मैंने सोचा कि अंदर जाकर बैठ के खाने से बेहतर ये है कि इस माहौल में खाए हम निहारी। आई नो आई एम इन द मिडल ऑफ एवरीबॉडीज सर्विंग एंड ऑल दैट, बट मैं फटाफट खा के टेस्ट करके बताता हूँ। दिस इज द निहारी, मटन निहारी, 2 lovely pieces, already garnished with ginger and green chilies. Hot roti. Half the fun is in the roti itself, isn't it? Oh, this is beautiful. It's a stew full of meatiness with a complex combination of spices, slight predominance of haldi the way I like it, हरी मिर्च का थोड़ा स्वाद इसमें, ginger. This is excellent. You know that the meat has been cooked slowly for hours, without which it's impossible to get this sort of meaty, soft texture where all the qualities of the bones as well as the meat goes into the broth of the nihari and makes it what it is. A nice, sticky, gelatinous, delicious, meaty, I'm saying meaty too many times. अभी तो करीम्स बहुत बड़ा हो चुका है, लेकिन जहां मैं खड़ा हूं वहीं से ये शुरुआत हुई थी इस दुकान की 1913 में। और जो हंडिया है मेरे पीछे वो निहारी से भरी हुई है, एंड my nihari has been served straight from the handi onto my plate. The same handi where it has been cooking for hours and hours, slow cooking. Beautiful. तो मैं पहुंच गया हूं शाहीन बाग, क्योंकि हमें निहारी खानी है और निहारी खाएंगे हम बल्ली मारान निहारी में। यहाँ की निहारी बहुत ही फेमस है और देखते हैं कि ये निहारी खाना नंबर 1 के लिए क्वालिफाई होती है या नहीं। चलिए। So it can't just be simply nihari. There's a lot of nihari here, a variety of it. I'm going to start with over here, okay? This is the paya, mutton ka paya, which is trotters, which, how do I say? Either you like it or you don't. I love paya. Here we've got a bheja ki nihari, mutton bheja ki nihari. Then what they give you here is what is called bong nihari. The bong is a part of the calf, of the foot, the muscle that is there, which is smooth. This is reshe ki nihari. Reshe as in the muscle fibers. And this is, of course, this is the nalli, which is the marrow. And when you take the marrow and put it in the nihari, it becomes into a nalli nihari. This is called a lavasa roti. Lavasa roti, which is Arabic with sesame seeds on it. The normal roti as well. And these are, of course, the classic garnish that you have with the nihari. I'm going to start with this nalli nihari that I have just created myself. We'll try it with the lavasa bread. Nothing as good as marrow, man. See, when I said reshe, I mean these are the muscles. Oh, it's very nice. You've got the right nihari masala in it. Feels like you've been cooking for hours. There's a story about this place. It opened in COVID times as a temporary thing to feed people nihari, and it's turned into a permanent sort of joint.
I have opened this outlet to serve my best, and which is successfully वी आर रनिंग ऑलमोस्ट 29 ब्रांचेस विद इन द इंडिया। इसकी शुरुआत 10 इसी प्लेस से हुई थी एंड यू आर हियर।
I'm going to try the bong, which is now the tenderest part of the meat. Has to be garnished with julienned ginger, green chilies, nimbu निचोड़ के उसके ऊपर, and I'm going to dare put this green chili in my mouth. You need to be a meat lover to enjoy this because this is nothing but pure meat. Let's try the bheja. What I love about it is that this is a full bheja, not made into pieces. A nihari gravy, according to me, this has got its simplicity as well as its complexity, which is just unbelievable. Paya is an acquired taste because it's gluey, but it's very healthy. Paya doesn't have too much flesh, but it's got this gelatinous sort of stuff in it, which is because it's the hooves. Lavasa roti के साथ मटन की निहारी. Look at this flesh, boss. Well cooked, good quality mutton, fabulous. I am realizing very slowly, trying to find the khana number 1 on this episode of Nihari is going to be the most difficult task because everywhere we go, the Nihari is extremely good. And this is the difference between Delhi and Mumbai, yaar. Delhi में निहारी होती है.
दिन भर और रात तक निहारी खा खा के मैं सो गया। अब सुबह उठा हूँ और सोच रहा हूँ कि दिल्ली के निहारी में खाना नंबर 1 कौन सा है। मैंने तो डिसाइड कर लिया है मुझे कौन सी निहारी अच्छी लगी। अब आप go and visit those places and decide for yourself. Till the next time, see you on the next episode of Venky's Presents Khana Number 1.